Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and in this video I will show you how to use the transactions converter. I will talk about the conversion process in general and use converting to the Quickbooks format and importing into Quickbooks Desktop as a specific example to demonstrate the whole process. For other formats and accounting software examples, please see the tutorials on the support page. To download the Transactions app, go to ProperSoft.net, then click Products, then click Transactions. Click the download button and then select Windows or Mac OS version to download. Once downloaded and installed, start the Transactions app. Read the welcome message that provides main points about the conversion process. Select a file with transactions to convert. The first thing to do is to select the output format on the right sidebar. It could be QBO, QFX, OFX format, QIF format, IAF format, CSV format. The output format defines the transaction details. Review transactions before converting. Make sure dates are correct, expenses are negative, and payments to the account are positive. Set output attributes: account name or account ID, account type, and other applicable attributes. If you are converting from multiple accounts, make sure to adjust account properties to avoid importing into previous account. Please check other tutorials for a specific output format for more details for each setting for that specific format. Set Open After Save checkbox if you would like the software installed on your computer to open created file. For example, for Quickbooks files, if you have Quickbooks Desktop installed, it would be Quickbooks to open this Quickbooks file. Click the Convert button and confirm the file name and the file location. To import created Quickbooks file manually in Quickbooks, click File, Utilities, Import, Web Connect Files. And choose New or Existing Account to import. If your account is not listed under existing account, make sure that online services are disabled for this account. Review important transactions under bank feeds in Quickbooks. Match payee under downloaded as column to vendor records, and set expense or income accounts before adding transactions to the register. See a separate video going in details for a Quickbooks file import in Quickbooks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.